Good morning, everyone. We are going to be learning 14 today. 14 has a 1 and a 4 that got married and are now 14, okay? Is this 1? Is this 4? No, this is 14, okay? 14 is 1 and 4 together, all right? Miss Beth is going to show you how to make a cute little giraffe out of number 14. Yaragoda is going to love this because it has yellow in it, okay? Miss Beth already made this one, so I'm putting it up here. And now we're going to draw a new one, okay? I'm going to make the 1. And then I'm going to make the 4. 1 and 4 together are 14, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make the head of the giraffe, okay? So you're going to come out and make your head and connect it. Connect the 1 and the 4, okay? Then you're going to come out here and make the body. And then you're going to make 2 legs. Then you're going to make 2 legs. Then you're going to make an eye. You're going to make the horns and the hair. You can even make a little mouth if you want. And you can make the mane of the giraffe. Okay, and make a little tail too. Make a little hairy tail, okay? All right, so now we're gonna color our giraffe. I would like to use Yara's favorite color, which is yellow. All right, so let's do a little bit of yellow for our giraffe. Okay, you can use crayons, pencils, markers, whatever you want. Oops, I have to color the legs, the tail, and the ears, okay? The horns. Okay, let's put some spots on our giraffe here. Let's put a few spots. What can we name our giraffe? Gary the giraffe? Gary the 14 giraffe? Oh, Miss Beth forgot to color the mouth too. And I need to color the feet. Okay. Why do giraffes have such long necks, do you think? It's because they like to eat things from very tall trees. So we're going to try to make a little tree here that it's standing behind. Make a little tree. All right. And we'll make the green part of the tree. Giraffes like to eat leaves from very tall trees, so their necks are very long. Okay, what else should we add? Should we add anything else to our giraffe 14? What else can I add? I think we're finished. And that is how you make a number 14 giraffe. Okay, now let me show you where the number 14 is. This was the 1, remember? That was the 1. And this was the 4, okay? 14. Miss Beth, make it a little bit darker. Okay, that was the 1, and this is the 4. You can see the 14 giraffe, okay? That is all for today. Make your 14 giraffe and send to Miss Beth. You can color it a rainbow color or anything you want, okay? Enjoy your day.